In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make chapter headings in Google Docs, a helpful feature for writers seeking to structure their documents with clarity and style. Before we dive into the steps, let's ensure you're all set to get started with a fresh Google Doc. First, go ahead and open your web browser. Any browser will work, but make sure it's up to date to avoid any hiccups during the process. Once your browser is ready, navigate to google.com. This is your gateway to all Google services, including Google Docs. If you aren't logged into your Google account yet, don't worry. Just click on the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Here's where you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Carefully type it in and then click Next. Follow up with your password and click Next again. This should grant you access to your Google account where you can find Google Docs among other useful apps. Now, look for the small 9-dot grid icon on the upper right corner of the Google homepage. This is your app launcher. Click on it and a list of Google services will appear. From here, select Google Docs to open it. With Google Docs open, you can either start a new document or select an existing one where you'd like to add chapter headings. Let's assume you're starting a new document with a chapter title. Simply type out your chapter title at the top of the page. Once you've done that, highlight the text of your chapter title with your cursor. As you highlight your title, head over to the toolbar and click on the Styles drop-down menu, which typically defaults to saying Normal Text. Next, click on Heading 1 from the drop-down list to transform your text into a chapter heading. This step not only changes the font style, but also applies a unique formatting style that makes the title stand out from the body text. It's visually distinct and also helps with document navigation, especially if your document grows in size. Now comes the fun part, customizing your chapter heading to match your preferred style. You can change its font type, size, or color. Simply select the desired options from the formatting menu on the toolbar. Adjusting these settings will give your headings a personal touch that enhances the visual appeal of your writings. Feel free to experiment until you're satisfied with how it looks. And there you have it, a well-structured document with clearly defined chapter headings using Google Docs. This method streamlines the organization of your text and improves the reading experience for both you and your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy writing.